Dice. Dice has 6 faces. This is a dice A, B, C, D, E, F, G. It has 6 faces. First face, second face, third face, fourth face, fifth face, and behind this face we observe one face 6. In dice, it is three-dimensional figure with 6 surfaces. Now we are discussing about different types of dice. Types of dice. First one is standard die. Second one is ordinary die. First of all, we are discussing ordinary dice. Ordinary dice. In ordinary dice, we observe that sum of opposite sides is not 7, but the sum of two adjacent sides is 7 or more than 7. In this dice, this is 3, this is 5, this is 4. Sum of opposite sides is not equals to 7. Sum of adjacent sides is 7. That is called ordinary dice. Here we observe this is 3, 3 plus 4 equals to 7. 4 plus 5 equals to 9. 3 plus 5 equals to 8. Two adjacent sides. That means sum of 3 and 4. That is 7. In ordinary dice, sum of two adjacent sides is 7 or more than 7. This is 7. These are more than 7. But sum of opposite sides is not 7. Next one. Second is standard dice. In standard dice, sum of opposite sides is 7 or sum of adjacent sides is not 7. This is opposite to ordinary dice. Here this is die. In this dice, this is 5, 4. Sum of opposite sides. 1 plus 5 equals to 6. 5 plus 4 equals to 9. 1 plus 4 equals to 5. These are all not equals to 7 or not more than 7. This one is not more than 7 or not equals to 7. So this is called standard dice. And opposite sides are equals to 7. That means opposite to 5 is 2, opposite to 1 is 6, opposite to 3 is 4 is 3. This is called standardize. Thank you for watching.